we fix it one day. All you want to give me answer. All you want to do you know I want.
What's up guys, it's Chanel and welcome to today's video. My hair is in need of a trim, a clip on the end, so that's exactly what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So if you're interested in seeing how I clip my ends, let's get into it. So I typically do this after I wash my hair, but I haven't washed it as yet and I thought I'll do it before this time. So my hair is kind of greasy, right? Well, not greasy, but like full of products. So I'm just gonna put it up in a high ponytail and then start from the back. I'm using my comb. Like, you can use any comb to do this. And then you can use hair scissors or regular scissors. I'm using a regular scissors. So what I typically start by doing is running my fingers down to the ends of my hair. I then look for split ends, damaged ends, or anything that just doesn't look right, and then I start clipping away. Clip, clip, clip. I then continue to look for more bad ends, but I also split my hair into smaller portions because in order to thoroughly look for the split ends, I need to do this. But also my hair isn't layered evenly all around, so I have to go through piece by piece if I want to do this the correct way and look for the ends that I want to cut off. So as you can see right here, I have more to cut off. So stringy, hate that. I then run the comb over it, but then I also move on to another section. I do the same thing. I'm showing you guys the parts that I want to cut off. You can see right here, it just does not look healthy at all. So I'm gonna cut all of that off. Yep, and then I'm gonna continue doing this for the rest of my hair. I'm gonna show you guys the parts that I want to cut off and then cut it off, split my hair into smaller portions, and then the process continues. Why am I acting like I can only see from one eye? But I'm pretty focused. But yeah guys, I'm gonna just fast forward the rest and just thoroughly show you guys what I do to clip my ends. You guys will still see properly even though it's gonna be fast forwarded, but I'm also gonna skip out some parts because if I don't, I have a lot of hair. If I don't, this video is gonna be 30 minutes long and we don't want that. So I don't want to keep repeating myself. So if I do have anything extra to say along the lines, I will definitely come back and let you guys know. But continue watching. I hope you guys enjoy.
Don't want to feel you.
So this is the perfect example of my hair being unevenly layered. As you can see, to the left was very short and to the right had a spike of hair. But that does not mean that you have to clip off the right side, like all of it, in order for the hair to be even. I know some hairdressers like to cut all of that off to get that straight cut, but I don't necessarily like that. I don't like when my hair has that straight blunt cut unless I'm going for like a bob. But as you can see right here, I'm kind of giving it some shape. So I'm not necessarily just cutting the bad ends off, but I'm also giving it some shape. hairdressers typically give is once you can see through it, it needs to go. You can see through this part, but I don't believe that you need to cut all of that off. And I'm not trying to retain length or anything, but I don't think this has any bad ends per se. So I'm gonna just cut off a bit, not all of it. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave it. I got hair all over me now. Sheesh. Whenever my hair was damaged, this part was the most damaged because I would wear a weave and do a leave out and not take care of the leave out. Also, I wanted to show you guys more about how you can clip the ends in layers without clipping all of that one section in a blunt cut. So as you can see, I'm going sideways to get the ends right here, and then in the middle right here has a lot of stringy ends, so I'm just gonna clip all of that off. So right here is the tricky part because it's shorter and thinner than the rest of my hair, so I'm gonna diagonally be cutting this whole section. It's the struggle, but we have to get it done. Yeah, see right there, it's so thin, and it's just that one drop of string. I had to get rid of all of that, but yeah, see right there in the middle, terrible. My leave out section. Terrible. you made it to the end of the video. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and don't forget to clip your ends. I know a lot of people don't clip their ends because they're trying to retain length, but clipping your ends will give you the length, because when you clip off the bad ends, then you have healthy hair, and healthy hair will give you that length. So if you guys want me to do more, if you guys want me to do more relaxed hair content, let me know in the comments. Products I use in my hair, relaxed hair updates, relaxed hair routine, all of that jazz, let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Shenzello, on Twitter at _Shenzello, and on Snapchat that I barely use at Shenzello17. See you guys in the next video. Peace.